What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your backgrounds in your images just using Canva. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every other day I like to bring out videos teaching you all the tips, tricks and strategies that I've learned to help me make passive income here online. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So to do this, we're obviously going to need a Canva account and a pro version at that. So you can't actually do this just with the free account. If you want to actually try this, there will be a link down in the description below for a 30-day free trial for the Canva Pro version. Now Canva Pro has a lot of cool features and removing the background is one of them. So let's go ahead and actually do this. So for this example, let's just go with a Facebook cover, like so. Let that load up for a second. Now removing the background on images, Canva has made it as simple as possible. So what we're going to do is just go over to here. I'm going to use a stock photo which is already on here. So let's go with smiling people. So let's do that, see what it pulls up and just use one of these images. So let's go with, actually let's do a smiling person. So smiling, change that, person, let that load up. So let's take this one. So we're going to do that. Now to do this, again, it is really simple. We go over to here in effects, we're going to click on that button. Now remember, again, if you have the free version you can't actually do this, you do need that pro version. And then it's just here, so background remover. Remove the background of your image with one click. So let's go ahead and click that, and we're just going to let it load up for a second, and Canva is just going to remove the background. Really simple to do and a great pro feature. So it can sometimes take up to a minute or so to actually do this. We're just going to leave it for a little bit longer. There we go, it looks like it's doing its job. A few more seconds and bam. So there we go, we now have the image with no background and we could use that how we wish. So let's actually delete that and let's choose a different one. So let's go with this one. So we're going to do that, back to effects. To apply effects you will need to remove the watermark, so that's a pro. This is a picture I have to pay for, so I'm not going to do that. So let's go with this one. This one looks like it would be a little bit harder to do for Canva, so let's see how it pans out. Do that, do that. Now remember, you don't have to use just the images within Canva, you can upload your own, so that's a great feature as well. Let that load up. We're going to give it a few more seconds. It looks like it's doing its job, and bam. So that was a little bit more complex because we had, if we go back one, we had all this blackness around the image, but if we go forward again, Canva had no problem removing that background. So again, this is just a great feature to use if you need to remove some backgrounds on a few of your images. Now with this video, this is actually part of a playlist dedicated just to Canva tutorials. If you want to check that out, click right there in the right hand corner and go through and watch the rest of the playlist. And if you want to check out the 30-day free trial, don't forget to click that link down in the description and it will bring you to this page where you can literally sign up for monthly or yearly, Yep, so this one's billed yearly. You get it for $9.95. This one's $12.95. You pay per month, but if you click here, you can get that 30-day free trial. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.